How to redeem Expedia points for hotel. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we'll discuss on how to redeem Expedia points for the hotel bookings. So if you're having trouble using the Expedia app to redeem your points, don't worry, this video will guide you through the process. So open the Expedia application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now look for the hotel bookings and proceed to check out page after selecting a hotel. In the payment section, choose the option to use your points. Remember that you can only use your points for prepaid hotel bookings, so make sure to select pay now instead of pay later. So choose Expedia Reward points as your payment method and Expedia will automatically check your account for points. So if you have enough points, you can pay for the entire booking using the points. And if not, you can split the payment between your credit card and points. The number of the points needed depends on the hotel cost. For example, for a $55 per night member rate, approximately 8,400 points are required to cover the room and taxes. So keep in mind that Expedia points are valued at around $0.07 each, so meaning 1,000 points are roughly equivalent to $7. And also remember that Expedia points expire if unused for over 18 months. Additionally, redeeming your points through Expedia means that you will miss out on a hotel elite benefits and points you could earn by booking directly with the hotel. So this is exactly how you can redeem the Expedia points for hotel. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.